Hi everyone, Kate here, and this week I will be showing you how to make a 1920s witch hazel cream. Witch hazel creams were typically recommended as either a face cream or for use after shaving. This is a lightweight, stearic acid-based skin cream which would be perfect for the warmer months ahead. I've adapted this particular recipe from the 1922 edition of Perfumes and Cosmetics. For this recipe, you will need 1 ounce of stearic acid, 0.125 ounces of sodium carbonate, also known as washing soda, 3/4 teaspoon of glycerin, 4 fluid ounces of distilled water, and 5 fluid ounces of witch hazel distillate. If you wish to increase this product's shelf life, you will also need some sort of broad-spectrum preservative. I personally like using Optifin Plus. Begin by gently melting the stearic acid in a double boiler. While this is melting, fully dissolve the sodium carbonate in the distilled water. Then add in your glycerin. When the stearic acid has fully melted, you will want to pour in your water mixture. There should be an immediate chemical reaction, and the concoction will begin to bubble. Keep stirring until this bubbling has ceased. Continue to heat the mixture until it has gone from white and fluffy to a semi-clear jelly-like substance. This will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes. If you're using a preservative, you'll want to add it to your witch hazel. Amount of preservative will vary by brand, but for Optifin Plus, it's about 0.1 ounces. Remove the jelly from the heat and pour in the witch hazel. With some electric beaters, whip until the witch hazel is fully incorporated into the jelly. Keep mixing until you have a perfectly smooth white cream with the thickness of about a body lotion. Pack into containers and let set for a couple hours. The final product is lightweight and silky, providing a light dose of moisture to the skin. Witch hazel is known for its astringent and anti-inflammatory properties, and this cream allows you to enjoy its benefits without risking drying out your skin. I think this is going to prove to be a great product to have in my skincare cupboard in the summer months ahead. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! This video is made possible through the generous support of my Patreon members. Thank you.